So this is the pound dollar analysis for Tuesday, 27th of February. Now, let's just have a look what happened price and where price is likely to go. So we had price come down here towards the 38.57. I've just put it on the charts because it's the most recent swing low in the market. We've had prices travel up towards the 200 period moving average, pulled back slightly to the 39.42 level previously identified. Came into this area where we do have quite a bit of traffic in regards, and what I mean by that, we have the 200 period moving average and a 400 period moving average slightly below this horizontal level of 140.05. So what we did was see we did come back down for the test. We came into this area, went into a period of consolidation, a sharp sell-off, which was immediately brought back up, probably a stop grabber of some kind. And what we did see was a period of consolidation in around the 200 and 400 period moving average before having this breakout to the upside. The breakout took us all the way up to this 140.70 mark. So it's a swing in the market. So what we'll do is we'll bear it in mind, because the very next level that we are looking at is all the way up at 141.18. So we'll see what happens if prices do get up to 41.69, 41.70, the 40.69, 40.70, because we may potentially find some resistance, double top resistance there. So what we did see was we went up to this area here in around 40.69, wasn't previously identified. If we do look to the left of the charts, though, however, let's see. To the left of the charts, okay, we did come into that area and did see sell side momentum, not significant enough. So what we have seen is the sell-off back down, very strong sell-off, as indicated by sizable candles closing near their lows. Very strong sell-off all the way back down towards this area here, where we previously identified where we could potentially find support in around 39.42. So in around 39.42, we did catch a bit of a bid. We've come in towards the 400 period moving average, had a brief consolidation there, and we do have a bullish candle here forming. So in light of having our lows there, a higher low there, even if you include the wick there, had a period of consolidation, price contraction, squeeze to the upside. We've come down into that area where we previously found support, so we do appear to be holding it. So we do look poised for further upside momentum. There is a slight long bias on the pound against the dollar on the higher time frames, so this would potentially bring us in alignment with the higher time frames. And so we've come into this area, as we can see over there, and we do appear to be holding above this 400 period moving average. So if we do see the bullish buy side momentum continuation, we are looking for a price head up towards possibly that 200 period moving average, a successful break from which we're looking for a test of this major level marked out here on the chart in red in 140.05. A successful break from there, and we're looking for price head towards our 40.69 and beyond 40.69. The very next level that we are looking at, which I would expect to be the far end of the range, is all the way up at the 41.18. If we do see this bullish buy side continuation, looking at 41.18 to possibly be the far end of the range. If, however, we do fail, bear with me. Oh my. So just bear with me a second here. I did not lock my drawings on the charts. There we are. So if we do fail from where we are at present, or we do find resistance that we are not able to successfully navigate at a 200 period moving average, or in around the 140 level, the confluence of the 200 period moving average dynamic level of resistance as we are approaching from underneath, as well as 140 level. If we do see that sell side momentum, we're looking to see whether 39.42 does hold. If we're not able to find support at 39.42, we're looking for price head down to possibly this previous swing low in around the 139 level, beyond which we're looking for 138.57, and below 138.57 we'll be looking for the major level marked out here in red around the 138.35. We'd expect that to be the far end of the range on here on the pound dollar. So we'll have a quick look at the daily chart here, and as we can see on this daily chart, so we've had this move up, consolidation, move up, consolidation, price contraction, squeeze to the upside, formed a bit of a, found quite a bit of resistance here in around the 42.66. Okay, we did trade as high as 143.43 on that occasion, but around 42.66 we found quite a bit of resistance. Now we've come down towards this 38.35, held it as support, brief move upwards towards our 41.18, and we see we've come back down. Now we do appear to be putting in a higher low, so we've got a low there. We do appear to be putting in a higher low, and if we do have that play out in the way it is forming at the moment, we are looking for further upside momentum continuation. Now also what we can see here, it does seem to be a price contraction squeeze, which should result in further upside momentum, but that's especially if we're more our confidence, we have greater confidence pretty much as long as we do stay above this 38.35 for further upside continuation. Even more so if we do close above the 140.05 on the daily chart. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.